Faves, good morning, good morning, good morning, good afternoon, and good night, you guys. We are in the car. Say good morning, Sarah, with your pretty self. Good morning, morning. Say good morning, Tyler.
Wagwan.
Yes, yes, yes.
Say wagwan.
Wagwan, everybody. Waiting for babe to come say wagwan. You guys, we are in the car this morning and Tyler have no idea where we're going. However, we are taking a little road trip in the middle of the week, because why not? In France, don't be alarmed, no, Tyler doesn't have school. In France, school doesn't keep on a Wednesday for kindergarten and what we in Jamaica would call primary basic school. And high school, there's no school on a Wednesday.
High school have Wednesday morning.
Oh, high school have
middle school have Wednesday morning. It's just elementary.
Okay, so there is the clarification. Elementary don't have on Wednesday, but high school and middle school have on a Wednesday morning, not in the afternoon.
Mama, Papa say wagwan.
Wagwan.
Anyway, you guys, we are in the car heading on an adventure. Today, we're going to give Tyler a surprise that he loved today. I won't tell you guys where we're heading, so you guys just gonna have to watch and see where we'll end up. We have about an hour, about 2 hours drive.
Yeah, normally it's 1:30,
But
1:35. It was with an accident on the road, so that's why he had 30 minutes. But because not that close, so hopefully it will be clear when we.
Okay. Just know that the city that we're going is Saint-Tropez. So we're going to Saint-Tropez and the French Riviera. Okay. So let's go explore the French Riviera for a bit today and see what we'll discover. Maybe something good. Anyway, you guys, enjoy today's vlog. If it's your first time to the channel, be sure to subscribe and catch up and keep up with the fam bam. And of course, I didn't get my workout today because we're up and out early. It is just 9:34 and we're already on the street because we intended on having a full-on good day, not losing a second out of today. So if it's your first time, what you to do, subscribe, girl, and hit that notification bell. That way you get a video when we upload Mondays to Fridays without failing. Okay, we'll see you guys throughout the rest of today. Puppy is here on the knock out sleeping. Sleepy from it. And little miss is awake and chatting. Look, see yourself. You see yourself? Tyler? Ty? Wake up. Tyler? We reach. You wanna see a surprise? Come, let me show you your surprise. It's a person. Come, let me show you. Come. Go around. Go around there. Who is that? You see a surprise? Tiki yo así. Wow. So we are at this is a village that Papa is staying, and it's absolutely beautiful. It's like a village smack in the middle of a little winery, and it's so beautiful. We have the waterfall, we're heading towards the restaurant, and it is so cool around here. There goes the family walking. Look at this place, absolutely amazing. We have a lot of waterfalls and little bridges. Wow, look at that, honey. Absolutely beautiful. Lots of restaurants around here, but most of them are closed right now. A lot of sitting area. So this is an idea of how the houses are, and if you guys can see, there's a lot of different ones throughout the village, and over here is huge. Look at this one over here, and there's another one. Yes. Wow. So as far as the eyes can see, you're seeing houses in all these little streets, and this is a vacation location. It's so beautiful all the way down there on both sides, full of houses. It's so beautiful. The kids found a playground with trampoline and rides and games over there. Sarah, you want to go on a ride?
Yeah. Mama.
Where's she? Where they gone? For the pizza? Huh? They gone for the pizza?
Yeah. Mama, I want to
Going on a ride. We are going on a ride.
Now?
You know what they have in there that I always want you and I to play? The basketball shoot thing. You don't want to play? What's the purpose of coming here and don't want to have fun?
One now?
Oui.
Okay. Up. And four.
Okay, so you're gonna do this and Tyler will.
Yes. Tyler can come there after. Tyler, you want to go trampoline now? You have to take off your shoes.
Okay. I'm taking off my shoes.
Hurry. Papi soon come back. Hurry. Go. Jump. Jump. I should have gone here with Sarah.
Just one now.
Mama,
No.
Get another one. Get another one for here.
I'm gonna go beside you. Boom, bad.
See Papa over there. Look. See Papa.
Et du gaz derrière.
Yeah. So I just had my big kid moment. Tala, you had fun?
Just Mama.
Yeah. And now we're going back to where Papa's staying to eat some pizza.
I'm hungry.
Me too. But it's a good day. It's so beautiful in this village. It's called Tiki village. So everything you see is Tiki club, Tiki beach, Tiki pizza, Tiki park, Tiki spa. It's so neat over here. Very neat. Tiki everything. They're still having the time of their life in this bean bag or this ear bag. Look at them. And it's Sarah's nap time, but of course, who's gonna nap when they're out? Not this one. Look at her. Sarah, what you doing under there? Come from under the chair. Bonjour.
Il est là le monsieur, attends.
Vous avez des poubelles? Oui.
I left everybody behind to take Sarah for a walk because it's past her nap time, and once we're not driving or have a bed for her, it's not easy for her to nap. And I found this walkway along the beach, which is absolutely beautiful. So I'm gonna show you guys where I'm walking right now. That's what the beach is looking like, all the way back that way, and I'm walking along this walkway, and there she is chilling, hoping she'll take a nap. all these signs along the way that says Tiki Club and Tiki Oasis that shows you where to go. But yes, it's just a huge village with just about everything, and this is how the housing, the little housing or the little houses looked. All of them inside have bed. Most of them is one room, but you can find 2 rooms or more, I guess. But the one that my father-in-law is staying is 1 room. It's absolutely beautiful over here, and them have just about everything. They have just about everything. Activities for the kids, and it's just at the tip of Saint-Tropez. So if you're on the French Riviera and looking for somewhere for family vacation, this is such a perfect spot. Babe and the kids will have to, Babe and I and the kids will have to come back here at some point to vacation, but it's absolutely beautiful here. So my girl finally fell asleep. While exploring, you see the most beautiful things around this little village. I can't stop showing you guys how beautiful this place looks. It's just simply amazing. Our vacation here for months, like literally. It looks like the chillest little vacation spot. Worse, there's corona going around us and not too much people is here. I can't imagine on a normal summer the amount of people that's here. Crazy. What are you doing?
A mountain.
You're doing a mountain.
Et maintenant, quand tu vas acheter une lunette, c'est pas la deuxième.
Come on, come. Come on, come. Good girl. Come on, continue. Yay! Go on, go. Go. Walk to the beach front with the fan bam to watch the waves a bit. It's not a beautiful beach day out. The water is very rough and the sky is not pretty at all, but still a beautiful view. Hey, princess. Hey. Pretty. Tay, you going? Go. Go. Yes. It's cold. It's cool. It's hot. Call Papa to come with you because Mama have on shoes. and babe getting wet. Come for Sarah.
Please, don't wait.
Go back in the water. Go on. Hold her up. Honey, hold her up. A big wave coming. You can make her wet up, but not her face. A big one! Honey, hold her up! Oh my god, I'm literally having a headache. And you know, we bring things prepared for the beach, but it's too late right now. Might as well I had just carry them. She wet! You guys, it's been a long day. We left Papa and on our way home stop at McDonald's to get dinner, and then we're gonna jump back in the car and head home. It is now 7:20 p.m. and we're still on the road. Dinner time. Everybody's here. Sarah finished eating her dinner, having fries. Baby's eating. Babe, say hello.
Hi.
I let you say hi from morning. I don't think so.
I didn't know if I talked for morning.
I don't think so.
You talked a lot, so you took all of my.
You're a hot mess.
time.
You're a hot mess. You had fun, Tyler? How was your surprise? Good. You wasn't expecting Papa, huh? You wasn't expecting to see Papi, huh? No, alright. Enjoy your dinner. And as usual, Tyler is having what?
My normal.
Nuggets and fries.
Mama,
Baby's having,
excuse me.
hold on, a tiny sandwich and one of his favorite ham and cheese little sandwich over there. Oh, and I'm having salad because I had pizza for lunch. So salad it is. What you having, girl? Fries and tablets.
Mama?
Yes, Ty?
I want to say something.
I'm listening.
I was wondering if we was going to San Tropez.
Really? Why were you wondering that?
Yes, but if we was going to San Tropez, but we were.
Okay.